Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You are standing in a room full of people. Maybe it's a classroom. Maybe it's a job interview. Maybe it's an airport in another country. Someone looks at you and says, "Tell me about yourself." Your heart beats fast. Your mind goes blank. You know English, but the words don't come out. Now open your eyes. Today, that changes. Today, you are not just watching a video. You are stepping into a conversation. For the next 15 minutes, you will not study English. You will live it. You will speak it. You will feel it. And by the end, you will realize something powerful. English is not a subject. It is your voice. Lesson 1. Before we speak, let me tell you a story. A small-town student named Daniel grew up in a farming community in the Midwest. His school had limited resources. His parents worked long hours. English was not his strongest subject. When he tried to speak, his classmates sometimes laughed at his accent. So he stopped raising his hand. He stopped trying. But one day, his teacher told him something simple. She said, "Fluency is not about being perfect. It is about being brave." That sentence changed everything. Daniel began talking to himself in English every day. He described the weather. He described his breakfast. He talked while walking to school. Slowly, his confidence grew. Years later, he gave a speech at his college graduation. Not perfect, but powerful. Today, you begin your own version of that journey. Lesson 2. Now, talk with me. Say this out loud. My name is... Pause and complete it with your real name. Feel how simple that is. Now say, I am learning English because... Finish the sentence honestly. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to feel confident. There is no wrong reason. Speaking starts with honesty. Lesson 3. Let's warm up your voice. Repeat after me slowly. I can improve every single day. Again, I can improve every single day. Notice your pronunciation. Listen to your own sound. English has rhythm. It goes up and down like music. Do not rush. Confidence is calm. Lesson 4. Now we build small conversations. Imagine I am meeting you for the first time. I say, "Hi, how are you today?" You answer, "I'm doing well, thank you." How about you? That is simple. That is natural. That is real communication. English is not complicated sentences. It is connection. Lesson 5. Let's expand your answer. Instead of saying only, "I'm fine," try saying, "I'm doing well. I had a busy morning, but I'm excited to practice English today." Feel the difference. You are adding detail. Detail makes you interesting. Lesson 6. Now let's talk about daily life. Say this with me. I usually wake up at... and complete the sentence. Then say, after that, I... Keep going for 30 seconds. Do not stop, even if you make mistakes. Fluency grows when you continue, not when you freeze. Lesson 7. Here is something important. Mistakes are not enemies. Silence is. When you stop speaking because you fear being wrong, your growth stops too. Every strong English speaker you admire once mispronounced words. They once felt nervous. The only difference is they kept going. Lesson 8. Let's practice describing feelings. Repeat after me. Today, I feel motivated. Now change it. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. Good. Naming your feelings gives you control over them. Lesson 9. Imagine you are in a small-town cafe. The person next to you asks, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Answer out loud. Maybe you say, "I enjoy reading books," or "I like playing cricket," or "I love watching movies." Now add one more sentence. It helps me relax. You are building layers. Lesson 10. Pronunciation focus. Say this clearly. Think. Notice the soft sound. Now say this. English sounds can feel strange. That is okay. Practice slowly. Speed comes later. Lesson 11. Let me tell you about Maria from a big city. She worked in a busy hospital. She understood English well but was afraid to speak with patients. One day she decided to practice one new sentence each shift. Just one. By the end of the year, she was leading team meetings. Improvement is not dramatic. It is daily. Lesson 12. Now practice agreeing and disagreeing politely. Say, I agree with you. Then say, I understand your point, but I see it differently. This is advanced communication. Not louder, not faster, just clearer. Lesson 13. Tell a short story about yesterday. Start with, yesterday, I. Continue for 1 minute. If you forget a word, describe it differently. That skill is powerful. Real conversation is flexible. Lesson 14. Confidence exercise. Stand or sit straight. Take a deep breath. Say, my voice matters. Again, my voice matters. English is not about sounding American or British. It is about being understood. Lesson 15. Let's imagine a job interview. I ask, why should we hire you? Answer confidently. You should hire me because I am hardworking and willing to learn. Add details. Specific answers feel stronger. Lesson 16. Vocabulary building through life. Look around you right now. Describe what you see in English. I see a window. I see a phone. I see sunlight. This is how children learn language. Simple observation, repetition, curiosity. Lesson 17. Now let's talk about dreams. Say, in the future, I want to. Complete it. Speak clearly. Dreams become stronger when spoken aloud. Lesson 18. Listening to yourself is powerful. Record your voice sometime. Do not judge, just observe. Improvement begins with awareness, not criticism. Lesson 19. Conversation challenge. Speak for 2 full minutes about your hometown. Describe the people, the food, the culture. Even if your grammar is not perfect, keep going. Fluency is flow. Lesson 20. Encouragement moment. If you feel tired, remember Daniel. Remember Maria. They were not special. They were consistent. You are capable of the same growth. Lesson 21. Let's practice asking questions. Say, what inspired you to start? Then say, how did you overcome challenges? Questions create connection. Great speakers ask great questions. Lesson 22. Now focus on tone. Say the sentence, really, in 3 ways. Curious, surprised, doubtful. English meaning changes with tone. Play with it. Lesson 23. Tell me about a challenge you faced. Begin with, one challenge I faced was. Continue honestly. Speaking about struggle builds strength. Lesson 24. Gratitude practice. Say, I am grateful for the opportunity to learn. Gratitude reduces fear. It reminds you that learning is a gift. Lesson 25. Imagine you are helping a friend learn English. What advice would you give? Say it out loud. When you teach, you understand better. Lesson 26. Now speak without stopping for 3 minutes about any topic you enjoy. Movies, sports, technology, farming, music, city life, village life. Keep flowing. Lesson 27. Let's reflect. How do you feel compared to the beginning? A little warmer, a little braver? That is progress. Confidence is built in moments like this. Lesson 28. Here is a truth. English will open doors, but your courage will help you walk through them. Do not wait to feel ready. Speak before you feel ready. Growth lives outside comfort. Lesson 29. Say this final affirmation with strength. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Again, louder. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Feel it, believe it. Lesson 30. Now picture yourself 6 months from today. You are speaking smoothly. You are expressing ideas clearly. You are not perfect, but you are fearless. That version of you is created by small daily practice sessions like this one. 15 minutes at a time. One conversation at a time. One brave sentence at a time. You started this journey a few minutes ago with uncertainty. Now you leave with momentum. Remember, fluency is not a gift given to a few. It is a skill built by many small efforts. Whether you live in a quiet, rural town, a busy city, or somewhere in between, your voice deserves to be heard. Speak in your room. Speak on your walks. Speak with friends. Speak with courage. The world does not need perfect English. It needs your English. So tomorrow, come back. Press play again. Talk with me again. And keep building the confident speaker inside you. Your journey is not someday. It is today.